Welcome to Revelation Realm. Today we are going to learn about the Build Modifier.
Good.
It's pretty easy to use and the slickest modifier I have ever seen. Firstly, get your model ready. Let's smoothen this monkey using the subdivision surface modifier. Now it looks cool. Let's apply the Build Modifier now. Select the model, go to the Add Modifier tab, Generate, select the Build Modifier. You can see the start frame and the length. The start frame determines when the animation begins. The length is about the length of the animation. It concerns the time. Let's randomly go for the 20th frame and the length be 200. You can also randomize it. We will come back to that later. Let's watch the animation first. Press play. See, cool, right? You can use the randomize option to make random animations. Let's try it now. This is one seed. Let's go back and try 2 seeds. Nice. Let's try 30. Excellent. That's it for today. Go touch some grass, or at least your keyboard to hit subscribe. See you.